Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. In this video, we will discuss how to rank a Fiverr gig. If you are a freelancer and working on Fiverr, then you must need to know that how you can rank your Fiverr gig. And many new users face these type of difficulties because they cannot rank gigs to get orders on Fiverr. So you can use these tricks which I am going to share with you in this video to rank your gig properly, because you must need to understand your algorithm of Fiverr to rank your gigs. If you are new on my YouTube channel and you are willing to know about freelancing, AutoCAD and land surveying fields, then you can subscribe my channel, and you can also like my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer, where you can get many more tips and tricks. Let's have a look on our discussion. Ranking a Fiverr gig seems to be the most tedious for most Fiverr sellers. No one wants to put the effort into ranking the gig, but they all want to be on the number one spot. However, there's some smart ways as to how you can get to a top without breaking the bank. Before we begin, I would like to tell you that Fiverr, like Google, has a complex search engine algorithm. Fiverr ranks gigs based on their importance to the buyers. Most people don't know how to rank gigs, but I have cracked the code, which we will learn about that in this short actionable PDF. I will also put this PDF in the description link so you can download and you can keep with this PDF during the creation of your Fiverr gig. I am going to show you how you can rank high on Fiverr's search engine for any gig. So are you ready? Okay, so we all know that Fiverr has their own algorithm that helps them come to a conclusion as to which gigs are the best to rank. Most people don't know how the ranking process works, but I have found the code which helps boost your ranking within 7 days. So you can rank your gig within 7 days. But remember, when you apply these algorithm, you must need to wait for 7 to 10 days, which I am preferring to you, because if you will change after one or 2 days, you will not see any changes, any ranking for your for your gig. So you must need to wait for 7 to 10 days. Here is the Fiverr ranking method. Fiverr is really easy to manipulate when trying to rank for gigs. Unlike search engines, you don't need to throw high PR backlinks at it, create Web 2.0, and do any sort of grueling work. The best way to rank on Fiverr for majority of the Fiverr gigs niche is to do the following tips. So first of all, tip number 1, create a video for your gig. or outsource it to another Fiverr user who can make a video for you. Fiverr loves gig with videos and tend to find them more professional and serious. Yes, I experience this many times. If when you put your videos and if your gigs are not ranking, but you get many clicks rather than when you have not video on your gig. So you must need to make a beautiful video, short video and to the point video to put on your gig, which will increase your clicks and impression. When you have more impression, when you have more clicks, your gig definitely will get orders for you. Tip number 2, share your gigs on social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Plus. Do anything to get your gig display in front of hungry buyers. It's fine that we need to share our gigs on social media, but what I experience that if you are a middleman, if you have not any following, any followers on social media, then you have just normal friends of your social life like this, then you don't need to share your gigs on this type of social media, because if you have not hungry buyers who want to give you orders, then it's extra job and it's not useful for you to put your gigs on every post, any comments like this. You just share your post, your gigs when you have many followers on Instagram, on Facebook related to your work. For example, you are a graphic designer and you have many following related to graphic designing, and there are many clients who are looking for graphic designing like banners, cards and flyers like this. So then you can share your gig on social media and these buyer will come to you by that gigs, and it will also a plus point for Fiverr that you are getting more buyers for them also, because when you work on Fiverr you all are you also getting getting buyers for them. So step number 3, buy $5 website traffic through a few thousand views at your Fiverr gig page. Fiverr likes gigs that get a lot of traffic as it makes it seem more relevant to buyers, which is why it has a lot of reviews. So you can buy your reviews, you can buy also impression, you can also buy clicks. Just invest $5 to get your impression and clicks. These $5, trust me, will get you $500 in some days. Tip number 4, get up the ranks fast. Go to level 1, level 2. Fiverr places more authority on accounts with high levels. Having high levels will automatically skyrocket your gig to the top of the page, mainly because of authority. When you are getting your order on Fiverr, you will get level 1 and level 2 after completion the criteria of the Fiverr levels. So when you are level 1, you will get more rank. When you are level 2, then you will get more authority from the Fiverr, which will also help you to get rank in many categories. Step number 5, and it's the last tip, add in the right keywords inside the tags description and title box. Forget trying to target one keyword, go for at least three. For example, if you have a gig for get 1000 YouTube views, inside your description add in keywords such as high quality YouTube views, best YouTube views, provider, etc. This will increase likelihood of ranking for multiple keywords. So you can do all of this and your gig is definitely going to be ranking high on the search engines for Fiverr, meaning you will get more sales and more leads coming your way. Hope you like video. If you are new on my YouTube channel Civil 3D Pro Designer, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest notification about these type of many more videos. I am just sharing my experience with you, so you can apply these tips and then come to me. If they did not work, I will also share some more and effective tips and trick about Fiverr, and you can also ask me about Upwork. How can you rank your Upwork